A massive shower is about to start and will shower blessings on humanity that will never stop. Those who will benefit will be those who need these blessings. Onpassive will deliver this blessing, using the O Bless platform. The O Bless part of Onpassive will shower untold benefits to people desperate to find relief for the pain and misery that have become the way of life for millions. That will change very soon. It is sad to hear of children going to bed hungry each night. There are millions of donors who are looking for a crowdfunding platform that will give their heart-motivated donations with no fees and administration costs taken out, before those donations reach the people in need of help. What an expression of love that was built into the creation of Onpassive by Mr. Ash Mafare. His love for humanity will be mass-produced by O Bless. The love in the hearts of Mr. Mafare and his family is very apparent. Look at how the founders in Onpassive are being taken care of. Others outside of Onpassive will marvel at what is happening in Onpassive when it is introduced to the world.